Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilitng Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, August 25th, and I have a fun sewing collection and a new sewing notion for you. So this collection is called So Be It. It is by Wilmington Prints, and I really love the colors in this because a lot of times the sewing lines seem to be black, white, and primary, and I think that this is a line that could fit more easily in your sewing space. So this is the panel, and then let's take a look at the bolts. We have a tossed words bolt, all of our favorite words, except for mend. I don't know if mend is my favorite word. I try to avoid that. And then we have a great border print here. Let's open that up. Look how lovely that is. Sorry, my arm is totally in the way, but hopefully you can see some of it. And then we have scissors and seam rippers. Again, not my favorite thing, but you know, it's a part of the hobby. And then this one's got a little bit of everything. We've got some embroidery, all kinds of fun stuff in there. Oh, that's a cute pincushion. Then we have these little pins that kind of make a geometric design. Again, I think the colors in this are really fresh. And then this is a blender that comes in 3 colorways, and I honestly love it. I think they should do a whole blender line out of this. I think it's beautiful. So we have that and the pretty purple, and then a nice calm gray. And you can see how that would go with this border print because there's some gray here in the background of the border print. So that's a really nice color combination. And then I ordered this other bolt just because I love it, and we've had it before. I think this is really cute for like valances in your sewing room or a throw pillow. And this one has a really cute selvage too. So this is by Riley Lake Designs, and it's called Pin Drop. Now, this next thing I want to show you is a magnifying lens set. Let me read to you the back and then we'll check it out. Place spot on dot adhesive side down onto your favorite ruler at the spot you want to magnify. The reusable adhesive ring will prevent the spot on dot from shifting while you make precise cuts. Stays in place until you remove it and you store in its case after you are done. And we don't have a ruler in here, so let's just put it on the cutting mat and we'll see how that adds. I don't know if you can kind of look up over it to see how it adds some precision to what you're looking at, and if you lift it, you know, as it would be on a ruler, you see even better. So if you want to make really precise cuts, this is a really cool little tool, and it is kind of like a gummy sticky on the back, so it just sticks and resticks. So you can see how that changes if your ruler is a little higher off the table. So these are pretty fun, and if you don't want to wear your readers all the time while you're sewing, or you just want more precise cuts when you're making your cuts or more precise points, this would be a cool gift for yourself or for a friend. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.